Welcome to Career Concern YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about one example related to competitive coding using Python. Okay, in our previous video, that is in introduction video, we discussed about 5 stages. First one is analyze, and second one is check conditions, and third one is collect variables, and fourth one is implement the code, and fifth one is analyze with test cases. This is the approach that we are going to use to solve any problem that we get in the competitive coding, right? Today we are going to discuss concept strings in competitive coding. Strings. What are strings? A collection of characters is called as a string, like name, anything, which are in, for Python, both which are in double quotes and single quotes are considered as strings in Python. Like, okay, what are strings? Example, career concern. It's a string, right? Okay. Like this, we can represent this in on a single quotes. There is no difference between using single quotes or double quotes in Python. What are the functions? What are the methods that are helpful in competitive coding? First one is all num. Is all num is a method which gives or which returns true if the given string consists of alphabets and numericals. Let for example consider S is equal to a career concern 1, 2, 3. This is a string. If we use s dot is all num of, it returns true if the string contains any alphabet or numerical. Lot of alphabets are there, lot of numericals are there. So we get true, or if not, we get false. Same. Next is digit of. It returns true when we have digits. If there is no any digits in the given string, then we can return false, right? Okay. Another two methods. Is alpha of, is lower of, is upper of. It returns true when the given string is in lower case, or else we can get false. The same is for this. If the given string contains uppercase letters, it returns true or it returns false. These are the concepts that we require to solve the problem which we are going to discuss now. Another function is any of function. Remember, this function is very important while solving the questions. Any of function, it returns true if it contains any true value in it. If we just remember this, any of function returns true if it contains any true value. If it has any true value in it, we can get a true value. If there is no any true value, we get false. These are the concepts required for us for solving today's question. Okay, going to question. What is our task? Our task is, they given a string s, give string s, we need to find whether s contains alphanumeric characters, which means both alphabets and numericals, and one is alphabetical characters, alphabetical, and digits, a lowercase, uppercase. Our question is, we are giving a string S and we need to find whether S contains any alphanumeric characters or alphabet characters or any digits or any lowercase or any uppercase. We will return true. We have to print true if it contains alphanumeric characters in one line. If we have alphabet characters, we have to print true another line. If we have digits, we need to print true. For lowercase, we need to print true. For uppercase, we need to print true. If our string satisfies all these conditions, we need to print true. Else, we will just print false. Our first stage, analyze. Analyze is completed now. We analyze the question. What we analyze? Okay, we get a string and we have to examine these conditions. If they are satisfied, we need to print true in each line. This is a condition, and after analyze, what we need to do? We need to check the conditions. Okay, our second phase is also almost completed. Okay, we understand that these are the conditions we need to satisfy. Next, variables. What are the variables we need to do this task? We just need a variable S which reads a string value. Okay, first all three phases are completed. Okay, let's erase this one. Before going to implement a code, I just explained you how this works. Given a string QA2, we need to understand what is going on in this task. First is all num of. Okay, what is first? Alphabetical characters. We need to check is it contains any alpha and numeric character. Yes, it contains an alphabet character. It contains a numeric character. So we print true in first line. Okay, done. Next one is alphabets. It has any alphabets? Yeah, it has two alphabets. So we need again to print true. Okay, next one, characters. Sorry, next one is digit. Is it containing digit? Yeah, it contains digit. So we print true. And next one is there are any lowercase letters in this? Yes. So we print true. Is there are any uppercase letters in this? Yes. We print true. This is we need to do by using our code. This is a rough idea how our code works. Okay. Going to code implementation. First, we need to read the string. Code. We are taking an S variable. S is equal to input of. We are just reading the input. Okay. What we need to print? We need to print off. I'm writing the code just using all the methods we have used. Any of. Yes. Sorry. Any of. We're using a list comprehension which gives I. For each iteration of I, we get each character in I. What is the first condition? We need to check whether it contains of alphanumeric character. There is a method called is all num of. We just use this one here. I dot is, I just erase this one. I dot is all num of. Right? Okay. For I in S. This is a list comprehension. It returns a list consisting of true or false values. Okay. We discussed any of method returns true if it contains at least one true value. We can explanation again. print of any of, what is next one, we need to satisfy whether it contains alphabets or not. Is or I dot is alpha of for I in S. Print of any of I dot is digit of for I in S. Print of any of I dot is lower of for I in S. Okay. Print of any of I dot is upper of for I in S. Okay, our code is completed. Just this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just these 6 lines of code is enough to do our task. This is the code. These are all the inbuilt methods that are available in the string. This is our code completed. We completed our 4th stage also. 5th stage, analysis with test cases. What we taken previous test cases? QA2. Just this one. For first one, it is our S string. Okay, for I in S, for first iteration of I, we take any of, what is the first value? For I in S means Q. Is Q alpha or num? Yes, it's an alphabet character, so it returns a true. I just indicating true with T. Okay, next. For next iterations went for A. Is it alpha or num? Yes, it also belongs to this category. 2 also belongs to this tail category. So the list comprehension releases this list. Any of true means all are true, so we return true. In first line we print true. Okay, our first condition is satisfied. Second one, print for I. First iteration I value is Q. Is it is alphabet? Yeah, Q is an alphabet. So true. A is also an alphabet, true. But 2 is not an alphabet, we get false. What any of function will do? If any is a true value content, we return true. There are 2 true values, so we return true. Our second condition is also satisfied. Okay. Third one, I dot is digit of. First, is Q digit? No, false. A digit? False. 2 digit? Yes, true is digit. So, what is any function? Yes, we have a true value, so we return true. Okay. Our third condition is also satisfied. Next, any of is lower. Q is lower or upper? Yes, it is lower too. Is it up lower? No, false. Q is lower. No, it does not belongs to characters. So F. What this return? Obviously, we will get true. Okay. Our last 4th condition is also satisfied. Next, our 5th condition. Is Q is in upper? No, false. A is in upper? Yes, true. Is 2 upper? No, it does not belongs to characters, so false. Any which is here we have true, so we return true. Our last condition is also satisfied. Okay, is it clear? Okay, all our conditions are satisfied and we get the values which we discussed earlier for QA2 are same by using our code also, which means our code is correct and it does not have any errors in it. Okay, yes, this is our today problem. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, comment in the comment section. If you want any type of question that you want to discuss in this channel, or if you want any type of course that you want to learn, just comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.